Ellen here. Hope all you doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and the 9th episode of Ellen's Christmas Series 2022. Can you believe Christmas is 4 days away? OMG, it's upon us. And are you still planning your Christmas dinner? Well, I got a great bread recipe that will satisfy your guests at your Christmas dinner. We're going to make the traditional Southern cornbread, but with a twist. How does Christmas cornbread sound? That's right, sugar. Christmas cornbread. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, and it's going to be full of fresh cranberries and eggnog. How yummy does that sound? Everybody's going to love and enjoy this cornbread, and y'all want to make this every year, and it's so festive. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my side dishes recipes playlist, my cornbread recipes playlist, my peanut butter glazed ham recipe, and my previous video, 3 ingredient sausage balls. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your cornmeal, your eggnog, and your cranberry sugar, because we're about to bake some Christmas cornbread magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep up our dry ingredients. In my large bowl, I have 1 cup of self-rising yellow cornmeal mix and 1/2 cup of self-rising flour. And then to our flour and cornmeal, we're going to add in 1/2 cup of white sugar. Give it a quick whisk until well blended. Alright, so now we're going to set our dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my measuring cup, I have 1 cup of eggnog. And we're going to add in 1 extra large egg at room temperature. And 1/2 cup of canola oil. Give it a quick whisk until everything is well incorporated. Alrighty, now we're ready to pour our wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. And now we're going to add in 3/4 cup of fresh cranberries that are roasted in the oven. And I added a little flour to help suspend them so that way they won't sink down in the bottom of the cornbread. Gonna give this a quick stir until well combined. And be careful, you don't want to over mix it. And how simple and easy is that? Easy peasy. Alright, as soon as I get through mixing up my cornbread batter, I'll bring you back. Alrighty my friends, our cornbread batter is complete. Now we're ready to pour it into our pan. We're going to pour it in the 8 by 8 inch square baking dish that I sprayed with cooking spray, or you can grease it with butter. Can smell the eggnog. It smells incredible. Alrighty my friends, now we're ready to put our cornbread in the oven. Oven's preheated to 450 degrees. We're going to let it bake for about 20 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, there you have it. Christmas cornbread. Doesn't that look good? I just taken it out of the oven. See how nice and golden brown that is? And look at the cranberries in them. It smells heavenly. Alright, so now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright my friends, I cut me up a great big southern slice. And of course, you can't have cornbread without some good old butter. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Spread my butter a little bit. Oh yeah, gorgeous texture. Look at that. Have a bite. Moist and tender. And I can taste the eggnog. And I love that little tart from the cranberries. This screams Christmas time. This cornbread is divine and amazing, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Christmas cornbread-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.